Welcome to Bestsellers Market, where we dive into the top products that are making waves and changing the game. If you're someone who craves the best of the best, you're in the right place. Today, we've got something special lined up for you, a countdown of the top-selling racks and cabinets on Amazon. These aren't just your ordinary storage solutions. They're the most sought-after, highly rated products that people can't get enough of. So, whether you're looking to optimize your workspace, organize your tech, or simply curious about what's hot right now, we've got you covered. Without further ado, let's jump into the countdown and see what's leading the pack. At number 5 on our list of best-selling racks and cabinets, we present a powerhouse of connectivity, the Microsoft Surface Dock 2. This is not just a docking station, it's a command center for your workspace. In today's fast-paced, tech-driven world, the ability to seamlessly connect and manage multiple devices is not a luxury, but a necessity. The Surface Dock 2 delivers this with finesse and power. Imagine plugging in your notebook, desktop PC, smartphone, monitor, keyboard, and mouse, all into a single streamlined hub. This dock boasts 6 USB ports, including the latest USB Type-C connections, ensuring you're always at the cutting edge of technology. Need speed? How about 10 Gbps of transfer speed? That's the lightning-fast promise of each USB-C port, allowing you to move files, charge devices, and even power up your video displays without missing a beat. Speaking of power, this dock doesn't just connect, it fuels your devices with a robust 199 watts of power. Every connection is wired, offering you unparalleled stability and reliability. With the Surface Dock 2, network connectivity is handled through a secure RJ45 port, ensuring that whether you're working from home or the office, you're always plugged into your network with maximum efficiency. So if you're looking to elevate your workspace, simplify your connections, and supercharge your productivity, the Microsoft Surface Dock 2 is your ultimate solution. It's not just about staying connected, it's about staying ahead. Next up at number 4 on our countdown of best-selling racks and cabinets is a product that embodies versatility, durability, and superior design, the StarTech.com 1U Server Rack Shelf. If you're managing a network, organizing IT gear, or simply trying to keep your workspace neat and efficient, this is the solution that delivers on every front. Imagine having a universal fit for your 19-inch server rack, with a depth of 10 inches to accommodate a wide range of equipment. From data and networking gear to non-rack mount essentials, this shelf provides the perfect home for all your critical devices. But it doesn't stop at fitting in. It excels at keeping things cool. The vented shelf plate is not just about aesthetics, it's about functionality. It ensures consistent airflow, which is crucial for dissipating heat, keeping your servers, computers, and AV equipment running at optimal temperatures. Now, let's talk durability. Constructed from SPCC commercial cold-rolled steel, this is a heavy-duty shelf that means business. Supporting up to 44 pounds or 22 kilograms, it's built to last, designed to support mission-critical hardware in any environment. Whether you're setting up in a data center, studio, or even your home office, this shelf is engineered to perform, day in and day out. But what makes the StarTech.com 1U Server Rack Shelf truly stand out is its versatility. Beyond its primary function, this rack mount shelf provides additional storage for tools, audio, video accessories, or any other equipment you need within arm's reach. And with the trusted StarTech Advantage, backed by over 30 years of experience and lifetime technical support, you're not just buying a product, you're investing in a solution. So, whether you're an IT professional, a tech enthusiast, or someone who values a well-organized workspace, this 1U vented server rack shelf is your go-to for reliability and efficiency. It's not just about storing your equipment, it's about enhancing your environment. Coming in at number 3 on our countdown of the best-selling racks and cabinets is a product that combines strength, versatility, and superior design. The StarTech.com 2U Server Rack Shelf. If your workspace demands reliability, this is the shelf that delivers on all fronts. Let's start with its universal fit. Designed to seamlessly integrate with nearly any 19-inch server rack, this 2U shelf provides a generous 16 inches of depth, making it the ideal solution for a wide range of equipment, from data and IT gear to networking devices and beyond. It's not just about fitting your hardware, it's about doing so with style and functionality. Ventilation is key, and this shelf excels in that department. The vented design ensures that your servers and other critical devices maintain optimal temperatures, even during peak performance. Whether you're managing a home setup, a professional studio, or a bustling office, this shelf keeps your equipment cool and your operations smooth. Now let's talk durability. Crafted from SPCC commercial cold-rolled steel, this is a heavy-duty solution designed to withstand the rigors of any environment. With a weight capacity of 50 pounds or 23 kilograms, this rack shelf isn't just strong, it's built to last. It's the dependable backbone of your network setup, providing peace of mind no matter the application. The versatility of the StarTech.com 2U server rack shelf is another standout feature. Beyond its primary role, this shelf offers ample storage for mission-critical hardware, tools, or even audio and video accessories. It's about having everything you need, right where you need it, maximizing both space and efficiency. And with StarTech's industry-leading support, including lifetime technical assistance, you're not just purchasing a product, you're investing in a long-term partnership. This is a rack shelf designed by professionals, for professionals, with the durability and flexibility to meet the demands of any tech environment. For those who value a blend of strength, adaptability, and superior engineering, the StarTech.com 2U server rack shelf is your go-to choice. It's not just a shelf, it's a solution that elevates your entire setup. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling racks and cabinets on Amazon? If so, don't keep it on the shelf. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to stay stacked with the latest updates. You won't want to miss a single rack or cabinet in our future lineups. Taking the number 2 spot in our countdown of best-selling racks and cabinets is a product that's redefining how we think about space and efficiency. The StarTech.com 6U wall mount network rack. This is more than just a rack. It's a game-changer for those who need to maximize space without compromising on strength or accessibility. Picture this: a 6U wall mount rack with a sleek, low-profile design that fits perfectly in even the tightest spaces. At just 14 inches deep, this open-frame 2-post bracket is engineered to accommodate your shallow server and IT equipment, network switches, and patch panels, all while maintaining a robust weight capacity of 44 pounds, or nearly 20 kilograms. This isn't just about holding your gear, it's about doing so with precision and ease. Installation? It couldn't be simpler. The rack ships fully assembled, ready to go right out of the box. No need to worry about sourcing screws or nuts. It comes complete with M6 screws and cage nuts, so you can get up and running without the usual installation headaches. It's all about making your job easier right from the start. Now let's talk durability. Crafted from sturdy cold-rolled steel, this rack is built to last. It's designed to protect your network equipment, providing a secure and stable mount that you can rely on. Whether you're setting up in a cramped office, a home lab, or a professional IT environment, this wall mount bracket offers a space-saving solution without sacrificing quality. But it's not just about saving space, it's about optimizing it. The StarTech.com 6U wall mount network rack allows you to keep your equipment organized and accessible, transforming how you manage your hardware. It's a solution that delivers both convenience and performance, making it a must-have for IT professionals who demand efficiency in every aspect of their work. And with StarTech's lifetime support, including 24/5 multilingual technical assistance, you're not just getting a product, you're investing in peace of mind. This is a rack designed by experts, for experts, ensuring that your setup is always one step ahead. For those who need to make every inch count while maintaining the highest standards of quality and functionality, the StarTech.com 6U wall mount network rack is the perfect choice. It's more than a rack. It's a revolution in how you use your space. And here we are at number 1, the top spot in our countdown of best-selling racks and cabinets. Introducing a product that is not just a shelf, but a cornerstone of your setup. The Pyle 2-piece 1U server rack shelf. When it comes to versatility, durability, and performance, this shelf sets the standard. What makes this shelf truly exceptional? It starts with its design, engineered to promote optimal ventilation. The vented structure is more than just a design choice. It's a commitment to safety and efficiency. By encouraging proper air circulation, it ensures your machines stay cool, preventing overheating and extending the lifespan of your valuable equipment. But it's not just about keeping things cool, it's about accommodating a wide array of devices. Whether you're working with non-rack mount equipment or half-rack width devices, this shelf is built to adapt. It's a solution that's as flexible as your needs, making it a perfect fit for on-stage setups, studio environments, or even small home networks. Wherever you need reliable support, this shelf delivers. Compatibility is key, and Pyle has you covered. This 1U rack shelf is universally designed to fit all 19-inch server racks, offering a seamless integration into your existing setup. With precise dimensions and a shelf tray size of 17.6 by 10 inches, you know exactly what you're working with. The robust construction supports a remarkable weight capacity of up to 110 pounds, giving you confidence that whatever you place on this shelf, it will be secure. The Pyle 2-piece 1U server rack shelf isn't just another piece of hardware. It's a vital component that enhances the efficiency and organization of your entire setup. Whether you're a professional managing critical IT infrastructure or a tech enthusiast looking to optimize your home network, this shelf is built to exceed expectations. And there you have it. The Pyle 2-piece 1U server rack shelf takes the crown as the best-selling rack and cabinet on Amazon. With its unbeatable combination of ventilation, versatility, and strength, it's clear why this product stands at the top. It's more than a shelf. It's the foundation of a well-organized, efficient workspace. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling racks and cabinets on Amazon. To keep up with all the latest bestsellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the top products we covered today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.